Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today in this video I will guide you how you can download or install Google Chrome browser on your Mac. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So first of all, you open your Safari browser. So just click on Safari icon. And when Safari browser open, then just search for Google Chrome download. So when you search for Google Chrome download, just scroll down and navigate the official website of Google. So here you can see this is the official website and secure website. So just click on this official website of google.com. So now once this website open, just click here, okay, got it. And here you can see the browser built by Google. Just click here, download Chrome. Okay, next is select the version of Chrome that's right for your Mac with Intel chip or your Mac with Apple chip. So how you can find your Mac either with Intel chip or Apple chip? So here you can see some steps, 4 steps. First of all, at the top left, open the Apple menu, select About this Mac. In the Overview tab, look for processor or chip. Check if it says Intel or Apple. So just cross this. Minimize this window and go to the top left here and just click on this About this Mac. And in Overview tab, just look for here processor or chip. So you can see here processor. So in processor, if it says Intel or Apple, so it says Intel. So like this you can check your Mac system, either is Intel chip or Apple chip. So guys, you see my Mac with Intel chip, so I click here Mac with Intel chip. So first you check your Mac, go to Apple menu and check in Overview tab. So if your Mac with Intel chip, just select this, otherwise select Mac with Apple chip. So I select this Mac with Intel chip. Do you want to allow downloads on? Yes, allow. So just wait for download, and this is the DMG file. So downloads is complete, and now click this DMG file. So you can see this, just wait for opening of DMG file. So now you can see. So next step is you have to drag this icon inside of this application folder. So when you drop this icon in application folder and leave this. So guys, now close this window and just go to applications. And when you go to applications, just click on Google Chrome icon. So Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, open. So welcome to Google Chrome. Google Chrome is ready to complete your installation. So here you can see 2 options. First is set Google Chrome as your default browser. So if you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser, just leave this as checked, otherwise uncheck this option and help make Google Chrome better by automatically sending usage statistics. So I uncheck this option also and just click here Start Google Chrome. I search for YouTube, and if you want this Google Chrome icon in your dock, so just right click and go to options and just click here keep in dock. So now this Google Chrome icon stay in your dock. If you want to quit Google Chrome, just right click and here click on quit. So like this you can quit Google Chrome. And you see, when you quit the Google Chrome, it is not disappeared. And if you want to this Google Chrome icon from your dock, just right click, go to option, and from here just select this remove from dock. So when you click here remove from dock, the Google Chrome icon just removed from your dock. So you can set your Google Chrome icon as you want in your dock. So guys, hope you understand how you can download or install Google Chrome on your Mac. If you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.